This video is most appropriate for high voice types. If that's not you, check the links in the description below to find the video that's most suitable for your voice range. Make sure you're feeling warmed up, ready to sing. Use whatever exercises you feel confident with that your teacher's given you. Scat. Scat, scat, scat. Scattily, 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 scat, scat, scat. Last year when we were going into lockdown, I recorded some exercises for my beginner students to practice along with. What you're about to join in with is a workout that's designed to move around all your articulators, get them really strong and flexible. It's suitable for beginners. It uses only the 5-note major scale pattern and the major triad arpeggio. Don't worry if you make a few mistakes along the way. You will hear that I do too. And all you need to do is just take a moment, take a deep breath, and jump in on the next cycle of the exercise. Beginning at the lips using a nice plosive B sound with my favorite vowel, E. If you want to substitute your favorite vowel, feel free to do that. And if you want a bit more of a challenge, you could use a fricative V sound instead. So this is the major triad arpeggio with B, B, B. B, 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 Moving on to the tongue, very flexible obviously, so I decided to do 2 rounds here. The first one, a nice, again, plosive D sound, and I chose air as a slightly more open sound than E. Make any substitutions you want to. This is the 5-note major scale. Let's go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. 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 Da 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 da. Da 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 da. second round with the tongue, and we're back to the major triad arpeggio. I decided to use a mid-tongue plosive g sound. Again, choose the consonant that you like, and to contrast with the previous vowel I used, which was e, I'm using o. So it's go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Moving further down the vocal tract with Singa. This really wakes up the soft palate and also engages that aryepiglottic sphincter, which gives you that beautiful twang or ring sound. If you want to make a singer's choice here, instead of Singa, you could use an M or an N with the vowel of your choice, of course. That nasal consonant goes all the way up the scale, and then the vowel on the way back down. So with me, Singa or singer's choice. Singa, 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 Finally getting really loose through the jaw, and I decided to have a nice dopey oh sound to relax the position of the larynx, and really contrasting the jaw movement with an E to start off with. So yo, yo on each of the steps of the arpeggio. And this means that we're getting that full range of motion, moving the jaw fully and freely all the way through. Yo, 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 yo. 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 Yo, 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 yo. you enjoyed this warm up for the articulators. You could do this video again choosing different consonant vowel combinations every time you do it. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see more of this stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye.